Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to play Lego and surprise toys. But today I'm gonna explain it again because I made a little bit changes. And of course, this is Daisy's beds or Cindy's because Cindy is her nickname. And this is the aquarium for Lily. And this is the bed for Lydia. What? It fell. I'm going to get it. And this is the dining table. And this is the toilet. And this is the stove. And this is just the an emergency center. And this is the Play-Doh. And I'm going to show you and unbox it so you can see. But my sister is already playing with the clay or Play-Doh. She can't wait. Now let's unbox mine. Jesus. Oh, it's pop. This is the teal. And this is the purple Play-Doh. And this is the pink clay or Play-Doh. And this is the yellow Play-Doh. And what in the world? Why did I have two teals? Maybe that one is blue and this one is teal. Okay. I'll put this trash can over here. Okay. So I needed this clay because last time I didn't get foods. And today I'm going to get foods by the clay. And now let's start my playings like Legos, like that. I'm saying that weird sentence. Okay, now let's start playing. Why is it just opening? Okay, I'll just put this clay or Play-Doh here. I'm gonna get this. Hello, Leah. Hello, Cindy. What do you like to eat today? Maybe I like a pancake. Me too. I want some sweet. Oh, I'll cook one. And now, guys, I'm going to make pancake with this yellow clay. Why are you getting my clays? It have a bite. But she opened it, so I'm just gonna get it because I need purple too. And while she's cooking at the stove, she will cook some pancakes too. And And while they are cooking, I'll just... What? It fell! This just... She will be just for a second. And where's the emergency center? And this one will just go somewhere, or to her aquarium, or her owner's bed. He can go there. Now I'm just going to put it there. I can't open this pink. Now I'll just put this pink there. And now they are starting cooking. Now I'm going to chop this one, or just use my fingers, not chop it. I need this too, this clay, or yellow. Let's just roll it and make it half and roll them. And I'm going to press. It's huge pancake. Maybe it fits or not really. Hey, where is Cindy? Oh my goodness, she fell. And again fell. And now she's done. And now she wants to go see her pet that's on her bed. They will just play. I just tighten up my ponytail. My sister's Lego house, it broke. That is so funny. And that one is so not good. Because it's not good because it's not mighty or just hard, something like that. She spin the stove. And now that one will just stay there. And I'll make the ice for the pancake, like she's swirling up something. It broke again, guys. So I get the pink. This is for the mouth. smiley pancake. It looks like a monster to me. But at least she can cook. She fell off. I need to put this in a plate. Or a Lego plate, of course. My pancake is ready. I'm going to put that on my plate. Cindy, it's your turn to cook. Oh goodness, I'm so starving. I need to cook too. Okay, I already made the mixture for you. You just need to put it in the frying pan. Already roll it. Thanks. You're welcome. I'm saying rolling. Pancake is not a dough. Silly me. I need to go there too. Where am I going anyways? Oh my goodness, I fell. My plate's huge. I need a little bit. So, this one, you just want my pillow or something. Can I put it somewhere? This will just be a chair there. Or a toilet. Again, emergency toilet. This yummy pancake, it's yummy. Okay, I'm going to cook now. And I'm so thankful she can make me some rolling pins. Wow, look at my sister's house, brand new. And it must have more rooms this time. Look at she mixed the clays. Silly her. And now I will continue making the others one. But it's not will be purple anymore. It will be green. Maybe this is just omelette. Okay, I'll just make it an omelette so they do not have the same. Perfect little teeny. I need an orange. Can I borrow yours? What should I need? Maybe I will need this blue. But I don't see a blue vegetable. Okay, maybe not blue. But I want to make it creative, so I'm just going to put blue. Draw it. And put it. I'm going to make a design to it. Like, oh my goodness. This is to look like an animal, but I don't know what animal is this. It looks like Twitch bird, but not the same color of all. Draw her eye again. But I'm going to make that there again so I can make a petal. What should I need? Okay, I'm going to make a design on that. Go there. You're so fat, you can't even go there. Fine, you just get this yellow one. But this one will be chair